Good morning, year 6. Right now uh, we are having a review of lesson 5.8 and 5.9 in your challenge book. So please open your challenge book. Here is a warm-up activity. What is a conductors and insulators? Just give me the answer, write down in your notebook and send it to me in Class Jojo. Right now here the review of 5.8 and 5.9. In 5.8 and in 5.9 we are talking about the working in the length of the and thickness of the wire, and also we are talking about the batteries, that how many types of the battery we have. Right now we are working on the thickness of the wire and the length of the wire. If the wire is too long, then it has a resistance. It show more resistance. And if it is thin, it is show more resistance. If the more resistance is there, it means it will getting hot quickly and maybe it's the cause of the fire. If the wire is short and thick, it means the more current passing through it and it gives you less resistance. So that's really important, that how we are going to tackle the resistance. If they have a less resistance, it means more current passes through it, which is very good. Now we are talking about the batteries. We have three types of batteries nowadays we are using, in which number one is the nickel methions, and number two is the nickel cadmium, and number three is the lithium. So in nickel lithium, it's a hybrid, means it's a rechargeable battery. Nowadays we are using this and it has less energy. But in cadmium, because we have more things, so what happened, each and every battery, they have some disadvantages, like the lithium, like the nickel lithium, in which the problem is, if you are not using it long time, then what happened, it going to be flat. So that's why scientists invent another battery. This is called the nickel cadmium. In nickel cadmium, its storage is more, but only the one problem is there, that is their memory. If you are not fully use their memory before recharge, then what happened, it will not working a lot. Then they are invented another battery, that is called the lithium battery, in which this is a less weight, and this is the storage is more than the cadmium battery. And one more disadvantage of the cadmium battery, because they both using a lead and the cadmium, which is not good. This is a poisonous metals. So no need to recycle these batteries. Try to dispose of this. That is really important. Let's now, this is my question number 1 in challenge book, page number 57, in which they are using the jumpers. This is the jumpers, the jump clips and the jump wires is here. So what happened, we are using this crocodile clip, and this is called a jumper. This is called a jumper leads, because we are going, normally we are using these things to give the energy in our battery, because if your battery your car is not started, so we are using this to connect with another battery of the cars, so they are connecting to each other and they are giving the energy to your battery, so the current is passing through and it will gives a life to the other's battery. Now, why do they connect the jumper leads to the battery of the two cars? Because now we are talking about, because it is giving the electric current from the working battery. So flowing electrons, flowing current, they use it to flowing current in other battery, because this is the linking wires, right? Now the next page is, why are Uncle Ali's cables heavier than the Abdullah's? Why? Because they contain more copper. Because contain more copper. Because he is writing down that what happened, more copper. That's why it's heavier. Because in cable it's not like one or two wires, it's a lot of wire, which is good for their strength, right? Now, why do short cables work better than the long cable? Because it shows the less resistance. Sorry, it's trouble, so we used to fix it. Okay, it shows a less resistance, right? Right? Now we are talking about, why do thick copper wires work better than thin ones? Because they have a much resistance and the electric current is passing through it. So we said that the thick copper have more current passing through it. It have a more current and less resistance, right? Now I'm writing in a short wording, so please just write down in the full sentence, please. And less resistance, right? Now, so my dear, they are asking about why the Abdullah's jumps leads get hot. Because this is thin, they use a thin wire and cheap wire. Because it is thin and cheap. That's why what happened, if it is thin and cheap, they are getting hot quickly, and this is the cause of the fire. Now explain how Abdullah could check the jump leads before he bought them. Because he need to check a large amount of current was passing through it. So he need to check the jump leads by feeling it is heavy. It should be heavy, because it is, if it is more copper in it, it should be heavy. It is heavy. It should be heavy. It's looking heavy because they joined the crocodile wire, and they need to check the joining. You need to check the joining of the crocodile wire. Because near to the joining, what happened? There is a bearing wires. So they need to check from the crocodile joining. Check the joining also, right? So you must give me the answer in a full form and send it to me in class Dojo. And if you have any problem, you can send me the message in class Dojo. I will be overcome this. Now, here, this is battery. We are talking about the batteries. So now they ask for, now name the two advantages of the alkaline battery. Alkaline battery, they are cheap and come in a different sizes. This is cheap. It's very the cost is really cheap and available in different sizes, all sizes available in all sizes, right? Now, what advantages does that nickel cadmium nickel battery have over the alkaline battery? That they have this is a rechargeable. So you must have to be write down, this is a rechargeable battery. So this is the advantage of this battery. Okay, now we are talking about what advantage does a nickel cadmium battery have over a nickel battery, because they have a more energy store storage. Right, now we are talking about give two disadvantage of the nickel cadmium. Number one is the, it's a memory problem. They have a they have a memory problem. If you are not working, if you are not using the full memory, then what happened, they are not rechargeable properly. Number two, they have, this is number one problem. Now we are talking about number two problem. Number two problem is that it is a poisonous. It is a, you have to be said this is a it's a poisonous material, right? Number 5 question. Many handheld power tools such as electric drills now have lithium batteries. Why have these batteries made it easier to use the tool like this? Because they are the lighter in weight. They are lighter in weight, and they are quick charging. They have quick charging. So you will get the answer also, these answer which I gave you in this para. When you read this paragraph, so you will get the answer from there also. Many stores, they have recycling bins for batteries. Why do you think they do this? Because so they have to be disposed of. Because why they use this, they think that maybe they save their money, but actually this is wrong. They need to dispose of them. Why? Because here in a battery, here in different batteries we have, like in cadmium, we are using a poisonous material, so it's better to dispose of them. That is really important. No need to recycle them. Right? Otherwise it's become dangerous. Thank you, my dear.